Yeah, assalamu alaikum, my fellow viewers, my subscribers, and also new viewers. Hi, my name is Muhammad Barak Yusuf, and I'm the founder of Motor Guru. Today, I'll be teaching you guys on how to buy our Proxport. And today, we'll be heading to our Proxport IP address. This is a website. This is our Proxport website. So we'll be logging in. This is a customer details. A customer details. So I want to log in to make a purchase of IP address. So I'm teaching you guys how to make how to buy your IP address yourself. So okay, I can put the password. Okay. So you're right here. And we have already funded our account with $1. I want to buy a daily IP address. I want to buy a daily. Okay. So what we need to do, we have different proxy package. We have the proxy premium proxy pro. We have premium proxy. That's the second one, and we also have the old proxy. So you can see these are the package 3 package. So okay, for which to if you want to fund your proxy, you can make use of if you want to fund it, you make use of this make a deposit. This if you want to purchase, you make use of proxy. You select which one. Is it on USDT? Is it Ethereum? Is it BSC Tron? Is it anyone depend if you want to fund, but you should check which one favor you, especially the rate. But I prefer this lit coin. You can use lit coin. It's okay. It's not bad. And so whenever you want to do and put any amount, you can put $10. Then you make your deposit if you want to do it. Then you come here. And for those that want to make a deposit, it's to generate you here, and you see you're going to send 0.0830357 worth of Litecoin. Understand? When you do it, to automatic credit. If you don't automatic credit, you chat up the customer care. After you make your phone, then it didn't credit. Sorry, let me come here. Sorry, let me come here first. Okay, let me go back. Let me go back home. Alright, so after you have subscribed, maybe you have already found your account, you make a deposit, you have your $10 here. Although this one is funded with 1.03, is a customer I want to do daily sub. So you come to this package. You select this premium. When you select this, you show this this tick color blue. The next thing you're gonna do, not this one. You see, it has changed to this. That's premium proxy, but select this one. This one is the strongest. So what you need to do next is just click on this this order. This order. Tap on the order. Good. So when you click order, click on this first one. This first one. This one. That's premium proxy pro. So you select it. So what you need to do, we have 2 hours package. This way you select your package. You have 2 hours package, you have 12 hours package. One has their prices 0.45. Then we have a 1 day package with 0.65. And we also have 7 days package with 3.5. Then we also have 15 days package 5.5. And you also have monthly package, which is $10. So I want to do a daily package subscription, which I already have $1. So, like for those that want to do 5 survey prime opinion on here cash to test your faith, you should put $1 do daily subscription. So when you complete your account, they hold your account, then you'll be able to do full package. So you come here. Talking about those that want to even do prime, or you have anything that you want to do with the proxy. So it's only 1 day package. So when you're done with the survey for 1 day, complete it and then hold your account. Then you can buy full package. And come here. For example. So you come here. So the United States. Come here. So then any of the states. Any of the states. California or New York, anyone. Anyone. Minnesota. Select. You can put this and come here. I'm gonna see you. So setting up for the person. So I'm making it easy. Sorry. So you can see. Okay. You can either select HTTP or SOC. So we select SOC 5. It's okay. Then you buy. Are you sure you want to buy this package? You say yes. So your package has been successful added. Okay. I've already bought it. So we have been charged. And we have user balance 3.88. So we have our proxy here. You can see our proxy. This is our proxy that we bought. Look at it. It's already active. Here's the status is active. And plan daily package. You can see. And here's the network. We have. Here's our network import. So you click here, this action. Tap it. So this is it. This is your password you set. And see your password. This is your login password. This is your IP port, host and port. If you want to change it, you can also change it. If you want to change it to another state, you can also change it. Understand if you feel like you want to change it. You have chance of changing country. You can also change country. Sorry, network. Let's see. Okay, let's go back now. Okay. So if you feel like this network is down and you want to change this network, so let me test it. Let me test the IP. Super proxy. So you guys have to set up your proxy, super proxy. Test IP. Is it? So you have to like change it to sub 5. Put your IP and put your port. Can see it. Then you come here and set it. Okay, resigning login details. Come here. Username. And password. If you already subscribed this, you don't need to be. So it seems like this IP address has timeout. I think it's at timeout. Let's see. Okay, it's still active. It's active. It's active. It's active. Active. Let's see. 7. Okay, it's active. Good. Let's see if it's reading. So it's working. Active. The IP address is working fine. Let's test our IP.
But I have smile.
Good.
We have smile like this.
Yeah, I know.
So
From your office that they do fund it now.
eh?
From your office that they fund it.
Yes, I want to carry it and use it.
Yeah, you tell them and let them subscribe it, man. What they've
No,
still
I
subscribed.
will subscribe it myself.
Okay, keep going. Bam, okay.
Smile like that.
So if you feel like the network is having issue, this particular IP address network is having issue, it's not going through. It's failing like from the beginning. Yeah, you saw the sign of red sign here. This port. You saw red sign at the beginning. And before it starts working. Maybe the network might not be good. Then you come to package, you go to premium again. Then you come to country, United States. Then city, you still select any port, you can change the port. So as provider, you can either choose this or any of your choice. Let's choose this. There are many ports. I'll come here and change. You can change as well. You can see it has changed. Come here. And just come here and just watch. Just watch and see. Just come here and see. Timeouts. If you notice timeouts is when you do the changes. Please don't do the change of proxy. It's very simple. See it on now. Good. So put, you see, you'll be seeing something like this. You need to look for the one that is valid. You see. So you need to change server. You can change region from here as well. Anywhere you want. Change. You can switch. The switch is free. You're not paying anything. When someone's words cut you down, even if they claim to be your friend, it feels like a betrayal. You have to let go of those people and channel your energy into proving them wrong. It will require hard work and determination. Select support. I forget the password still remains the same. Has changed. They are very strong. They are very strong tools. So guys, if you are new, kindly like and subscribe my channel. Thank you once again. I remember Guru.